up, everybody? Elise here with Mama's Input. Today I'm gonna go over a thing that I actually made for the girls' room. It's one of those macrame hanging decorations that I turned into a bow holder. Before I get started, please hit that like button and also that subscribe button so I can keep you kind of informed with more content that I have. Some DIYs for the girls' room, a couple of products I have used over the past 3 years that really helped with parenting, and all sorts of stuff that the girls like. So let's get started. This is actually, it came by itself. It was just plain. It had all sorts of little strings that were frayed on the end. So I braided each and every one of these little strands and hot glued the ends so that way they wouldn't fray anymore. And I made them all sorts of different lengths. Let's see if I can get these bows off and show you. I just grouped them together and made them all different lengths and just cut off the tips and hot glued the ends. So you can't even see the hot glue if you don't look at it like way up close. So, and then I ordered these little artificial flowers. We did pink flowers for Adeline's room when she was born, and this was actually just hanging on the back of the door for a while, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need something to hold all these bows, and here we go. It's a bow holder. But I just hot glued these through, hot glued them to the back. I don't know if you can see them. They're all like, there we go. Nice and close. But they're all just pieced on there. Here's some hot glue right here with a little stem sticking through. And if they were really long, I just went ahead and cut it off. Sorry for the close-up of my face. But I just have it hanging on a monkey hook. They're really easy to just put through the wall. You don't have to worry about it falling out. There we go. Anywho, if you're looking for a whole bunch of bows, I will leave a link below for Amazon. They have all sorts of different colors for girls, and they're actually like a good sized bow. I have them in my hand. Here we go. And on the floor now. But they're a good sized bow. They have 40 of them, different colors, for real cheap on Amazon. So if you're looking for bows, this is the way to go, because I've done pricing in all different places and I'm like, oh, they're so expensive and my kids hardly ever wear them, but I want them to have them. So check it out on Amazon. This is just a plain Jane macrame, and just dolled it up with some artificial flowers, braided it, cut the frayed ends off. Hot glue is your best friend on this. I will leave links below for all the different products I used to make this, and I will leave a link for the bows. And if you like this, just give me a thumbs up. And if you don't want one this size, they have smaller ones. They have larger ones if you have more bows. These are just the ones I use. I'm sure there's more strolled out everywhere, but this is just a little organization hack so I don't have to go through the drawer of bows. Anyways, feel free to subscribe to the channel. That way I can keep you up with more projects I've done for the girls' room, more products that I've used, and just to keep you filled in on my hectic life. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.